Hi guys. I have a tiny little haul video that I wanted to share some things with you. First off, I had to go to Joann's for something and to check on something, and while I was in there, their fall stuff was 60% off, and believe it or not, while I don't need another single napkin, these napkins were just calling my name. This one's really pretty on the outside. I wonder what it looks like on the inside. This one is just the same front and back, but I just loved those leaves. And I certainly don't need napkins, but you know the attraction. And these were in the fall things, so I was surprised that this one was, but isn't that pretty? That's just beautiful. So I got those. So you might want to check out the fall stuff. Then the scrapbook store where I went to the garage sale a few weeks ago, the scrapbook garage sale, they're going out of business. The entire store, everything in the store was 40% off. Honestly, I found just a couple of things. I really didn't find very much. They had all kinds of distress ink and distress oxides and things like that, but I have decided I really don't like those kind of ink pads because they are not permanent. And they did have 2 stays on pads left, both colors that I already have. So, and I'm really not buying those either because they're ones I have had. I really like the new archival inks that I got better, and so I wouldn't have bought anything there. The couple of things I went to look for, like, they are actually where I got my art glitter glue. I was hoping they would have another tip and things just to have extra, another bottle, so that I could have one in the camper. They didn't have any of that kind of stuff left. So I got this one little thing. This was texture paste. It was originally $2.49 and then it was 40% off. So that was not too bad a deal. The reason I don't have any texture paste, and this was transparent matte, and I thought that might be fun to play with. So hopefully in the next few weeks I'll play with that a little bit, because texture paste has always sounded like fun. I don't have a ton of stencils, and although I have some now, and I just hadn't been using anything like that. And then I had just about used up these little foamy things with the new archival inks, and they can get worn out. So I got a new package. I thought that would be a good idea to get a new package. They had more, but I was afraid that they would get old. I do know that my other package has started to yellow, so that makes them break down faster. So I didn't get but one package. The fun thing about the store is that for some unknown reason, this and this had to be in 2 separate bags. That's fine by me, because she gave me 2 fun bags that will, end up in junk journals. Then I went to do one more thing, and I don't normally, I have said that Facebook Marketplace is not something that I really find too much on, but I decided I would, I've looked at it before, and somebody had this punch. I've been looking for this punch. I've looked everywhere for this punch, and I think this is a Stampin' Up! Punch. I won't guarantee it, but I'm pretty sure it is. It's one that's been discontinued for a while. This is a, she called it a tag punch, but it's for making faux stamps. And when I went to the garage sale, I got this great little set of inchies, and this is a 1-inch punch. And these inchies I thought would make the greatest faux stamps. So having this little punch has made me very excited. I'm going to show you how it works to do this. So these are our little tiny stamps. I think I have another stamp here that would be fun to make into a little stamp. We'll try it out. So there's that one. Where's my little tiny itty bitty butterflies that fly all over? They're here somewhere. There they are. And this is a bigger stamp, but I thought it'd be cute too. And then you just cut this out. I'm going to cut this one. Let's see here. And so you get this little scalloped edge piece that looks like a postage stamp. Anyways, that's the first time I found something on Facebook Marketplace that I thought would be fun to have. Let's put this in there. So they need numbers on them, but now, don't they look cute? Here's this punch. Oops, you can't see it. There we go. So I was real pleased and real tickled to get that. And so I guess Facebook Marketplace might be something that you might want to check out. Honestly, I have never gotten anything there before. There's never been anything in our area that I thought was worth the price. I've been hunting this, or I wouldn't have paid what I paid for it. Anyways, guys, that's my tiny little haul. But I did want to show you what I've gotten recently. And I'm going to read your quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and get busy cleaning up the mess I've just made. This one is interesting. Imagination is the one weapon in the war against reality. Jules de Gaultier. Okay. I guess we're going to have a war on reality. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.